Jeff Shepard is our call master. Anything that you can call out in the woods, Jeff is the man to do it.
Killed a couple of turkeys, with an assistant, but never by ourselves.
My dad said I could kill 2 turkeys in one shot, and I was ready for it to happen so bad.
Shoot him. Kill him.
This is Trophy Quest.
Jeff was hunting at Millwood Lodge. I kind of want to get on to him shooting 3 turkeys, but since I saw who was his hunting buddy, I didn't mind at all.
This is my daughter Jessie. She's been hunting with me since she's been about 3. Used to tote her in my turkey vest the whole time, and she's always hunted, and she's killed a couple of turkeys, with an assistant, but never by herself. And wound up, she's left eye dominant, right-handed, she's having trouble shooting, but we got all that straightened out. She's shooting left-handed and actually was shooting pretty good. So we got her lined up and got her shooting, and actually shooting a 20 gauge and making some good patterns. And so we figured she was ready to go, so we went out. Let's go somewhere. Opening morning, we went, and as normal, we was getting on some turkeys. There was some turkeys gobbling, but actually wasn't wanting to participate. They wasn't wanting to play. We was getting a little bit where we could sit down, and then they would shut up when we'd move to another turkey and checking fields, but wound up we just got pretty much skunked the first day. I'm acting like this is the last day of the season. I ain't been in but one day. I'm already getting whooped. We got whooped.
Call it a day.
Well, we tried. We heard him gobble, but I think we got here and there's something running down through yonder, and I don't know if it was a dog or what. We're not having too good of luck.
Maybe we will have some luck tomorrow.
Reckon John will show up?
Probably not. We started out that morning, a little bit of bad weather. Didn't hear anything on the roost. Started checking places. We had dropped some stuff the first day and we was out looking for it. Make a long story short, we came back to where we started from and there were some turkeys. Are you good? We fixed out to make a big circle, try to get around them. We're fixing to see if Slim will work for us. Well, it started raining, then we had to walk across this deep creek, which I got really wet in, and I was freezing.
Made a big loop. Had to wade across the water and get wet. Came in and got set up next to a tree. Yelped a little bit, little cedar gobbler, and it was on pretty much at that time.
Then we had to ease up, and my daddy said, "There's the turkeys." Well, I didn't see him because I was looking on the right because it looked like he was looking on the right, but he was looking on the left. So then he moved Slim over. Then I saw the turkeys.
Shoot whenever you get ready. Whenever you get ready, shoot. Shoot him. Shoot him, baby.
Trophy Quest, brought to you by Service Central, available at Tire Kingdom, NTB, Merchants, and Big O Tires. Lethal, human scent elimination system, powered by Odoban. Pennzoil, not just oil, Pennzoil. Bugling Bull Game Calls, we call the game. And by TQ Adventures. Let the journey begin. This is Trophy Quest with John Wilson.
I got really excited when I hunted by myself because my dad said I could kill 2 turkeys in one shot, and I was ready for it to happen so bad.
Let it come now. Just pick your spot, pick your hole. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? You ready? Go ahead. Shoot him, baby.
Now.
Shoot one of them. Did you know you was getting 2 in one shot when you pulled the trigger?
No.
You just got 2 in one shot. I knew that one, when they crossed, there was one behind the other, and then when she shot, and I was gonna jump up just to try to make sure one of them didn't get away, but oh, they were toast, and I got the last one standing, so to speak. But she made a good shot on the turkey. 2 in one shot. I hear you, girl. Two in one. That's what I told you. 2 in 1. Was you seeing them?
Yeah, I saw them, but I couldn't get my.
You couldn't get the gun on.
Yeah, but I got my gun on them.
No joke. Filthy.
I didn't know where you were looking. I was looking that way.
You was looking this way?
Yes, I was like, what's he looking at? I don't even see them. Then I turned my head, then I saw them coming.
Well, so that's what I
And I
picked.
tried
When I picked you, when I moved
Yeah.
everything over a little bit, right by herself first time. She's shot by pulling the trigger, but as far as her being in the gun, that was her first 2 in one shot. It was good stuff. Good stuff. It's good.
Well,
Everybody watches American Idol.
Yeah.
And the guy on there was singing the pants on the ground, and anyways, we got tickled about singing the bird on the ground deal.
So she said, if we do it, are we gonna sing it? And I said, yeah, we'll sing it. So she hit it with birds on the ground. Go ahead, hit it. Bird on the ground,
Bird on the ground. Looking pretty cool with a bird on the ground.
Your hat turned
Sideways,
sideways, bird on the
golden
ground.
brown.
Birds on the ground. Looking pretty cool with your birds on the ground. With your hat turned sideways. Your hat turned sideways, bird on the ground. Looking pretty cool with your birds on the ground. With your hat turned sideways, birds on the ground. Why'd you have to shoot two?
John's too lazy to get out of the bed, and this was gonna be his, so I shot it anyways.
I understand. Well, let's get them out, get out of this rain and get to the house.
Yeah.